Hi there, Melody from WTI, and have you ever wanted to say, I've got the power? This incredible BEIHONG electric spin scrubber is going to become your new favorite go-to tool to use for whatever project needs to be cleaned around the house. It comes with adjustable extension arms, 4 replaceable cleaning heads that are very easy to switch out, and not 1 but 2 rechargeable batteries that last 150 minutes each. I love the adjustable brush head, so you can either use it at a 45-degree or a 90-degree angle, and I love how this polishes up my chrome. Water stains can be hard to get rid of, but with this brush, I find it's super easy and so satisfying to watch. Don't you agree? So whether you're using it in your bathtub or switching up the heads on it, because there are 4 different kinds and you can use them for the hard to reach places, your sink, around your faucets, this is super easy to interchange the heads and it just gets the job done quick. And it does such a great job. And of course, this amazing spin brusher isn't limited to just your bathroom. Why not use it in the kitchen or other places? The brushes have long bristles that's going to prevent shedding and they won't scratch your surfaces like your stove. So go ahead, try it on your stove. Try it on all of those stubborn stains that are so hard and difficult to remove. And I also love how easy it is to hold. It's got the places here right for your fingers, and then you're easy accessible. You can use your thumb to turn it on to either low or high. Super easy and comfortable to use. So do you want the power? Go get yourself one of these brush sets. You're going to love it. That's my point of view.